My name is Omar Abisad. It's Thursday, February 21st, 2019 at 1:42 p.m. in Toronto. So I'm going to demonstrate today um, today's sampling of my radiation tagging. And you notice I have a band around my arm. That's my blood pressure monitor with the cuffs. So I have two of them. I have the wrist sensor and I have the other one, and they sync up. Within plus minus 2 or 3 points. So it's consistent. They both measure the same range. So first, let me show you the tagging. So my hand is burning right now. It's not painful, it's burning. My back is tagged, and I guess I should point out that I don't have any magnets on me. So this is, these results are not compromised in any way. So the jaw. So I'm in pain right now. The back. Um, Especially the right side here is hurting. So you could see the readings go up and down. Again, the hand, the jaw. I think it just showed 1400 there. The temple. The back of the neck too. The throat. The thyroid, the throat. So let's start with the temperature. $36.7, $36.6, $36.6, $36.6, $36.5, $36.6, $36.6. The under the arm, 36.4. I don't think I did that right. Oh. $35.9, $36.5. Difference in sides as well. It depends on which side is being hit. So the right side, if you look at the tagging, it's being hit or scanned with higher power than the left side. So you will see a higher temperature on the right side. 36.3, 36.3, 36.3. So it's stabilized at 36.3. So I'm going to show you the pressure. Now I'm in pain, but not excruciating pain. So it's inflating. That's the noise you're hearing. The pump. There's an air pump attached to this. That's the pump right there. That's inflating the cuff. And gets fairly tight, so it can get the vein. the pulsing of the vein. So right now the knee is being pulsed. I could feel the pulsing effect and the thighs as well. So it takes a few seconds for the reading to show. So last night I woke up in pain and I took my pressure from sleep. It was 153 over 101 from sleep. So that's really high. Um, Sometimes you get heart palpitations while you're asleep and you don't feel it, but you feel congested. So 150 over 90, and the heart rate is 100. So I took this just before I started doing this video, and I'll show you what it was. That's number 2. That's the that's the second reading. It doesn't show here. That it was 125 over 84 about 5 minutes ago. So that's the huge variation in pressure. And let's check the temperature again. .36.4. 36.4. 36.4. 36.4. 36.4. 36.3. So the temperature went down. So the temperature went down. So that means the pressure, the power went down. Did the power go down? 0. It's still on, but the power is very low. So the level of pain also is decreasing. So if I took the pressure again, you'll see the pressure go down and the tag on the hand is gone. So it's the burning sensation. No tag. No tag. Well, slight tagging there on the right side. The back is still tagged. The back is slightly sore still, especially on the right side. So the temperature would not be high. 36.2. So while I'm talking, the power goes down, the temperature goes down. 36.2. And the hand, 36.3. The other hand, 36.4. So let me take the pressure again. And my detector is pulsing away here. That's the computer. That's the computer. And this is the pulsing on the monitor. So the monitor is pulsing at 800, between 800 and 900. So every electrical appliance have an electromagnetic field. So the one around my monitor is average 850. And the pressure, 151 over 97, heart rate 103. So still in pain. The pressure is still high. So I'm going to take the pressure reading on my sensor, the wrist sensor, and I expect it to be different because that few seconds or minute in between the time I took the last one, the pressure changes because the power of the pulsing, the power of the tag, the power of the pain ray, I think that's being used as part of this experiment goes down. And it sure did, 129 over 86. But that's still high. So I'm going to take it one more time and see how the pressure measures up with the cuffs. So there is a constant chatter outside my window from people underneath the loading dock because the loading dock door is open, or outside, or in one of the units, the window is open because it's a little bit warm today. So it's a constant chatter about my being a target. 136 over 93, and the heart rate is 97. So an immediate drop in pressure reflected in both this and this. The result on both monitors are consistent. When the pain level decreases as a result of the power of the scanning that is reflected in the detector, is also reflected in the temperature changes that is consistent with the up and down increase in the power of the radiation used. All falls in line. Every piece of data supports the other. It's evidence of experimentation. So as I was saying, there's a constant chatter around the unit about my being a target, and being a target is evidence in itself that I am being experimented on. Because for you to be named a target means that you're experimented on. because the two goes together. To label somebody a target is an experiment in itself, because this is not how the normal legal process takes place. Nobody becomes a target that's flagged by the cops, which represents a form of a part of the government, and then thrown out to the community to do experiments on, or for the community to monitor the person without disclosure, without due process, because this is the way the legal system works. So being a target is illegal. It's bypassing the legal system. So it is an experiment. Talk to you another time.